Naghahanap ka ba ng rent-to-own property na pwede mong gamitin for your Airbnb business? This is a one-bedroom unit in Park McKinley West. At least 10% down payment, pwede ka nang makapag-move in or pwede mo nang ipa-Airbnb or long-term rental. Imagine how this unit can earn as much as 5,000 per night and be a self-liquidating property. Basta nasa tamang marketing ka lamang at tamang pag-aalaga ng property mo sa location at hindi mababakante ang unit mo. Take note, the location of the property is in the middle of business district here in Metro Manila, like Makati, BGC, and McKinley Hill. Plus, only 15 to 20 minutes away lamang sa NAIA and 5 minutes walk away ka lamang sa Venice Grand Canal Mall. So, your target market is just within the area. Comment down rent to own para masendan kita ng details nito. Only 3 units left. So, inquire now. This is Jared Bagnayi and welcome to Buhay Ahente. Salam.